Okay, boys and girls, today in math, we're going to solve addition and subtraction problems involving the lengths of objects by using the strategy draw a diagram. Okay, let's all read the story problem up top first. There is a paper clip chain that is 16 inches long and removes 9 inches of paper clip from the chain. How long is the paper clip chain now? Okay, it said we're going to do some addition problems and some subtraction problems. By looking at this problem, what are we going to do and how did you know that? Think about this. There is a paperclip chain that is 16 inches long, but then Anne removes 9 inches. So how many inches are left? What are we going to do, Xander? How did you know that? What word helped you figure subtraction? Removes. Removes means what, guys? What does remove mean? Taking away. Okay, so to figure out this problem, what do we need to find? How long the paperclip chain is now. That's all written for you, right? So let's not worry about that. What's the information that we need to use? The chain is blank inches long. How many inches long is the chain, everybody?
16.
16 inches long. Blank inches of paper clips are removed from the chain. How many inches are removed, Isaac? 9. Okay, show how to solve the problem. Guys, they have a number line there. Okay? And then they made the first line go from where the chain would go 16 inches long. So it's to the 16. You see that? Okay? But then they are saying that you need to jump back 9 spaces to see. This is kind of like what Landon and Matthias were doing in Math Minutes. You're jumping back 9 numbers from 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where did it stop, boys and girls, when we jumped back 9 things? Everybody jump back 9. If you didn't do it with me, please do it now by yourself. Start at 16 and jump back 9. Okay, what did it land on then, boys and girls?
7.
7. Okay, so we're going to write the number problem. What am I going to start with? 16
minus 9 equals 7.
The paperclip chain is how many inches long now? 7 inches long now. Okay, turning the page when we're done. Okay, try another problem. Let's read this up here. Draw a diagram. Write a number sentence using a box for the missing number. Solve. Okay, and you're going to have to ask yourself, what are we trying to find? What information are we going to use? Okay, let's read the story on number 1. Carmen
Has a string that is 13 inches long and a string that is 8 inches long. How many inches of string does she have?
Is there any words in here that help you figure out that we're going to subtract? Is there anything that's like remove or take away or anything like that on this problem, boys and girls? So what do you think she's going to do? It says she has a string that is 13 inches and another string that's 8 inches. They want to know how many inches of string does she have with both of those. So we are going to do what, everyone?
Addition.
We are going to do addition. Okay, we want to know how many inches of string she has. What are we trying to find? Everyone?
What do I need to find?
What do you need to find?
The answer.
No, what is the question that they want you to find?
How many inches of string does she have?
So what are we trying to find?
How many inches of string does she have?
Guys, next year in 3rd grade, you're going to have to write this down on your own. It's not going to be written down for you. So whenever it asks you what you're trying to find, you are going to write down the question. How many inches of string does she have? You will have to write that. You don't do a lot of writing in 2nd grade. You do all the writing, a ton of writing in 3rd. Okay? All of this, you have to write on your own. All of this, you have to write on your own. Yeah, all of this. All those words that they have written for you, you have to write by yourself. Yeah? Okay. What information are we going to need to use? From that problem, what information are we going to use, guys? How do we know how to work out this problem? How do we know what numbers we're going to use? What are we going to do? Come on, guys. Wake up. You gotta get this. You gotta start answering some questions. Not the same people. Kason. Now, what information from the story are we using? Where'd you get that number that you were just about to tell me? What told you that you needed to use that number? What information was in the story that told you that you need to use that number? I can't hear a single thing you're saying, but she has a string that's 13 inches long. What's the other thing we need to know? Grayson?
How long is the...
No. That was what we needed to find. I want the other information that we need to know to help us find how long she is. He said she has one string that's 13 inches. What's the other part of the information?
She has an other string that is 8 inches.
She has a second string that is 8 inches. So, start at 0, put a line on top, and do we know what our first number is going to go to? Yes, what's our first number going to go to?
13.
13. So you don't even have to count or jump, go all the way to 13 and put your line. All the way to 13 and put your line. Now we have to do our jumping. So what are we going to jump, guys?
Forward.
We're going to jump forward. Thank you for that word. Forward. 8. So start at 13 and jump 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What did you end up on? Did you jump?
21.
Why are you starting right here at 5? You got to 13. You go to the 13. Erase all of this. Okay. Now we need to write our problem. What's our number problem? Lena?
13.
Oh yeah, we can put a box. one. You need to put the box for the missing number.
50 plus 8 equals 5.
Okay. So what is the box number, everyone?
21.
Okay. There we go. Where's on Sharon? Number 2. Read the story.
Eli has a cube tray that is 24 inches long. He removes 9 inches of cube from the tray. How long is Eli's cube tray now?
Okay. So, what are we going to find? What are we trying to find? Sharon? How long is Eli's cube tray? Okay, what information are we going to use to find how long Eli's train is? Landon? Starts out at 24 inches long. Then what do we need to use, Kinley?
He removes 9.
Removes 9. What does that mean, boys and girls?
Take
We will be doing
subtraction.
Okay. So, what are we going to do, boys and girls? Yep. Put a line
Above the 0.
above the 0. Then what?
All the way to 24.
Go all the way to 24. And then what? And then what? Put another line. Okay. Then what are we going to do after that? Ivan? We're going to jump backwards. How many? Jump backwards 9 from what number? From what number? What number are we starting at? 24. Very good. Jump backwards 9 from 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, who wants to tell me the number problem? Isaac? 24 minus 9 equals box. And boys and girls, what is that box? Everyone?
15.
Okay. So you're going to do 3 and 4 with a partner. And then mid-chapter concepts will be on your own. Okay, and then you
checkpoint.
Yep, mid-chapter checkpoint.
Yes.